wonder why. I wonder why. Riches, that's a good thing. Yeah, man, as long as I riches. As long as I riches, you're good. As long as I riches. Where you man do on bicycle? God, you fit do it. You can't ride. You can't ride. You can't ride, I'm start feel hungry now. My food feel. Food for eat, you know, man. I go look food for eat. Food must don't cook, you know. Food must don't cook, you know. You tell me, say I cook rice and peas today. Peas. Put peas in a pot long time. Put peas in a pot long time. Don't cook peas. Take out and go season up. Ready now for go season up. Right and peas now. Realize me not have no coat that. Me not have no coat that. So me not eat rice and peas today. I eat peas and rice. I eat peas and rice today because I not have a look at coat that. Food must done now, man. Food must done now. What time for you? What time now? I just have to just 2 o'clock. Time early, man. Time early now, man. All the time you're in Jamaica, you don't get dinner yet. You mad? You don't get food so early. I see food until about 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock before back in ideas though. Now them time you know you can't go get food anytime you want. But back in ideas when mommy done cook. Sunday food take the longest for cook. Yeah, man. Sunday food take the longest for cook. And then time they all meat season up from way a night before. I don't understand that with you. They prepare everything from the day before, you know. All peas are soaked from last night. Peas are soaked from last night. Chicken season up already and everything. Yet, and then get up early and start cook too. Well, apart from maybe then go to church. And go to church and come back, but it's still not supposed to take, well, bearing in mind them time there, probably I use if I coal, you know, coal I will take long. And then again if the gas done, that I want next piece of drama that. But food always take long to done on Sunday, man. Sunday day, oh God. Sunday day hungry used to kill me. And you can't go nowhere. Every other day I can't left out of the yard. Every other day. I go in the bush, I go in the sun, I go. But Sunday I want to hard this day to left out of the yard. So you have to stay there and sit down and be. You can't go look one mango. You can't go look one apple. You have to sit down and wait on the pot. Yeah, man. I have to put the pot done in the house and I go check.